You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing biblical names, names from the Bible, make sure to stay tuned. English pronunciation. Nazorean. Nazorean. You can skip until the end of the video for more biblical names pronunciation. Make sure to do that to learn more, and stay tuned to the channel. Remember this one, Nazorean. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.